Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect Pixelverse or Pixel Tap to Trust Wallet. So let's get started. So here we are in Pixel Tap by Pixelverse, and from here we're going to tap on Launch Bot so that we will now be loaded here into Pixel Tap. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to tap on this Binance icon right here just beside our account number. So you want to tap on that. So I have the Binance icon. That is because I have already connected my account to my Binance wallet. So now let's connect it into our Trust wallet. So you want to tap on the Connect New Wallet. From here, tap on a Trust wallet. And from here, yes, I have it since I already have an account. If you don't have one, tap on Create an Account so that you'll be able to create one. And from here, I would need to paste my deposit address for USDT ERC20. So I'm going to go back into my Trust wallet right here. And I'm going to go search for USDT. And search here. So as you can see, we have a lot of USDT right here. But what we need is ERC20, so that would be Ethereum. So we're gonna go for tap on USDT Ethereum right there, and then from here you would want to go for receive, and you want to copy right there. So now you now have your address copied, and now you want to go back here into Pixel Tap, and then you want to go and paste it right here, paste, and then from here tap on made it, and then just wait for it to load. And right there, as you can see, your wallet is now connected. Now you can use this to withdraw in a Pixelverse right here. So tap on Gotcha, and there you have it. As you can see, you can now set this as a main wallet right here. So that is basically it on how you can connect Pixelverse or Pixel Tap to Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching.